In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert your images into 3D like this and this. So first bring down the image you're going to convert into 3D. I'm going to use the Google logo because it just looks cooler for the video. Then we're going to head into Fusion. Now, I know Fusion sounds a little scary, but this is actually super simple. So what you're going to do first is unplug your picture from the output, and then you're going to bring down a camera 3D, a merge 3D, and a render 3D. And you're going to connect it just like this. And then you're going to bring down the image plane 3D, and you're going to press shift space and bring down a duplicate 3D. Here you're going to connect it just like this. Now you might be wondering, where the heck is the picture? Well, we haven't set up our camera yet, so you're gonna, on the camera 3D, you're gonna press 1. And then on with shift right click, you can move around and see where your camera is. So for me, I'm gonna just move the camera all the way back, just so I can see where the picture is. And now to make the image into 3D. So on the merge 3D, you're gonna press 2. And then you're just going to move just slightly around, just see what's happening. And in the duplicate 3D, you're going to go here where it says last, and you're going to just change that to 100. And then bring down the offset just slightly. So I'm going to just add 0.1. As you can see, it made our logo 3D. And if your computer is a little slow, then all you can just bring down the copies to 50 and it'll just work just fine. And just bring up the offset. Now, if your image has like a border or anything like that, you can also add an erode. So basically, on medium 1, you're going to press shift space, and then you're going to search up erode. And you're going to bring that down, and this just allows you to make the borders of an image wider. So right here, I can slightly change the Google logo here. Obviously, there's no borders on it, so it doesn't really look that great, but it kind of adds a little touch to it. Now, if you want to animate your logo, all you have to do is add a transform 3D. So on duplicate 3D, to shift space, and then just search up transform 3D. For the sake of performance, on duplicate 3D, disable it. And then on the medium mount, you're going to press 2, just so you can see what's happening. In a transform, you can just move your logo however you like. So I'm going to do a quick animation real quick. Animating here is pretty much the same as like any other part of DaVinci. All I have to do is add keyframes to pretty much anything you're going to move in the frame. So for me, I'm going to just move through that, and then I'll go all over here. Obviously, you can be more precise with it and add more like animations between what I'm going to do. But this is just a simple way just for the video. So I just wanted to move a few times. Maybe up and down, and I guess to the side. And now, if we check our animation, that's what it looks like. It's very simple, honestly. And if you want to see the 3D version, just go back to the duplicate and just turn it on. And as you can see, my logo is now 3D and is animated. Obviously, my computer's a little slow, so it's a little buggy. Once you render the whole thing, it'll be smooth. And that's pretty much it on how to convert your image into 3D. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. I'm going to continue making more simple tutorials like this, so stay tuned. And yeah, thank you for watching.